Hi guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I've got my summer Fab Fit Fun box and I'd love to show you what I got. So come along, be sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. As you guys know, I love my Fab Fit Fun box, and I actually got mine late this time. My mom got hers 2 weeks ago, so I don't know what the holdup was with mine, but I'm excited that I finally have it. Anyway, before I dive into this, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be putting up a video in a couple of weeks that's going to be a Fab Fit Fun favorites from the last 5 years. I did not mean to have alliteration on that, but I'm going to kind of go through and just show my all-time favorite things that I have gotten in the 5 years that I've been subscribing to this box, and the things I still have and love and all of that. So I'd love to have you come along for that one. So be on the lookout for that video. Okay, so I did one add-on for this, and I have to admit that I did open this up this morning. I just couldn't wait. I got the box yesterday, and I wanted to look at the add-on one. But the rest of the things in here I have not seen yet, although they gave us a lot of choices this time. 6 different things. We got to choose which thing we wanted, so there's not a surprise on a lot of them. And so we'll see how it goes here. But anyway, the thing I got for an add-on is this thing called X-Stand, X-TAND, and it's a phone holder, like for on your car dashboard. And when I do car chats, I like to have a little stand, and I've just not had a lot of luck with things being able to stay on the dashboard. They kind of get hot and then melt and everything. But this one, look how little it is, but it holds the phone in there, and it hooks on with adhesive to the dashboard and then to this with a magnet. And it's a pretty strong magnet. So let's hope that holds, because I've had a lot of trouble with, here's the magnet. See, there's 2 of them. So you could actually, I don't know. I guess this hooks straight to it. I guess they just give you 2 in case the adhesive no longer works at some point. But I did pay like $7 or something for that. It wasn't very expensive, so I thought I would give it a try. So I was super excited. Now, normally Fab Fit Fun includes about 8 different items in a box, and we got to choose 6. So I'm thinking that if they're doing it the same way, that there should be 2 surprise items in here, and then 6 of them we got to choose. It's weird that we got to choose that many. Anyway, as I mentioned before, that I've had Fab Fit Fun for 5 years, and almost 5 years, and I love it. I pay for the annual subscription for it, and then that gives me an overall discount. If you want to use the link I have in the description box, that will give you a discount off your first box. And also, if you're interested, periodically they give me the ability to send like a mini box to somebody that has like 4 items, and all you have to pay is shipping. And so if you want me to let you know about that when I get any of those for free, just send me an email at busybeingjen@gmail.com, and I'll keep you on the list for the next time that I get one of those things to give away. So this is the little book that describes all the things that are in here. And we've got coupons for different things, and here's what the inside looks like. Okay, so this is fun. This is by PMD Clean, and this is a cleansing tool, a facial cleansing tool. I'm very in love with the Luna Fofo that I have. That's by Foreo. Gosh, what this F alliteration thing going on here today. But I thought I would try a different one. So this one vibrates. It's got, can you see that? It's got the little silicone bristles, and they're heavier ones that you can use like in the corners of your nose, and then softer ones. And Well, it doesn't, oh, the battery is included in here. Yay. So I am very excited about this, and who knows, maybe this will be a favorite that I include in that video coming up. But yeah, I got to choose that, and I'm very excited about that one. Okay, I know that I chose these two were an option. This one I actually have from a previous box. It's by Skin & Co. Roma, and this is Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So this is really interesting cleanser because it really feels like you don't get it all washed off. It feels, your skin feels very moisturized when you, even after you rinse it off. And so I was kind of nervous that like maybe it wasn't really cleansing my skin, but I used toner afterwards and there wasn't any makeup or anything like that. And I have very dry skin. So this is really why I got this little combo. The other one is by Erno, Laszlo, New York. And this is Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, which I normally would not get because clay masks tend to be drying, but this one said it was hydrating. So I thought, hey, why not try that? So yay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you know what? It's only 6. I don't know. Maybe let me look at the retail value on these, because maybe the value of these boxes is typically, they say over $200. And so let's see what it says on this. Okay, well, this is really interesting. They've changed this a lot. Normally, they give a brief description of each product and they tell its retail value, but they're not doing that here. They're not even giving a brief description. So like the PMD, it just says clean in teal, and that's it. And it doesn't say what the overall cost of the box is or any of that. That is weird. But they do offer some fun things in this little magazine. Like I can see that there's a couple of recipes and they have some other little short articles and stuff in here. I wonder why they're not telling us the value. You would think they would want us to know like how much we're getting for the $50 we pay for this, that we're getting like $300. Usually the value of the boxes I get is like around $300. So, okay. So the next thing, I'm excited about this. This is a Selfie light, and this fits over a phone. And because I have a channel and I do vlogs, so if you are interested in vlog videos, I have Jen's vlog channel, and it's linked in the space below this video if you're interested. But whenever I film myself on my phone in my house, I always tend to be so dark, you know, like it just doesn't, everything looks kind of gray. So this thing right here, I have to put the batteries in, but you slip this right over your phone and then it lights it up. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. So maybe my vlogs will have better lighting. But yeah, join me over there if you want to kind of come along with me on snippets of daily life. Wish I could tell you the value of that, but I don't know. Okay, this was another one I chose. I'm shaking it up. It is by African Botanics, and it is a shimmering gold oil. So this is like a kind of a dry oil, I guess. Is it? Does it say that? That you just put on your skin and it leaves a shimmer on there. And I've had something like this, you know, similar to this, and it leaves... it's not like it tans your skin, but because this shimmer has a little bit of color to it, it sort of adds a little bit of a tan-ish look to the skin. So I love this kind of thing for summer. Any place, you know, my chest, my arms, anything like that that shows it's kind of nice to have this to put on. Yeah. And then let's see. Oh, this one I did not get for me. This is by BaubleBar. And this has the stuff in it to make, I think it said up to 4 bracelets. So it comes with, well, it's a really small opening. So you see this little, Whoa. Okay, that was nice. The lid was off and the beads just went everywhere. Well, most of them went in the box, so that's good. Okay, so let me tighten this one. Okay, so there's a couple of these in here, and then there are a couple of different things of wire and or kind of thread, I guess. And you make your own bracelets. Now, I personally don't really wear bracelets, but the reason I got it is that I have well, I'm trying to just decide what she is in my life. She is my nephew's stepdaughter, and she would love making bracelets. And she's a teenager, like 13. And so I actually got this for her because I thought that would be fun. So yeah, I've got a whole bunch of beads now all over the inside of this box. Okay, we'll take care of that later off camera. The last thing that I have in here is another one that I chose. I'm kind of surprised that I chose this, but I thought it would be cute and fun. And this is actually a nightgown. And it was a cute little thing. It has ruffles around the bottom. Let me open it up for you and show you. It's by Draper and James. I actually did like some research on this before I made this selection. And so you can see that it is sleeveless and it's got a low neck. It's nice. I don't like to have stuff when I'm sleeping. I never really like to have anything up around my neck, but especially when I'm sleeping. It's nice and flowy. And then the bottom, can you see? It's got a cute little, ruffle on it. So get that up there so you can see. Yeah, and it feels really nice and soft. It feels like it would be a material that would maybe keep you from sweating, you know, especially at my age at night, man. So those night sweats, you know, 95% polyester and 5% elastane. I don't know. Hopefully that'll be nice to sleep in. It feels really good. Okay, I just realized something after I finished filming this section of the video, so I'm going to insert this clip, that they have a QR code in the bottom right hand corner of several of the pages. And so when you aim your phone at that, it brings up more information about the products. That's why it's not in here. So what I'm going to do right now is pop in pictures of each of the items and how much they retail for, and then I will put on screen the total value of the box that I got. The QR code also, it doesn't just bring up the price, but it brings up more information about the product, and you can even look at the products that you didn't receive. Sometimes what will happen is they'll have extras of some of these things, and then in the next month's add-ons, you can buy some of the things you maybe wanted to have in a box and didn't get, but you can buy them at a drastically discounted price. And so just wanted to add that in here before we finish up the video. Yeah, I'm just super excited to try all these. I haven't been this excited about the different things coming in a box in quite some time. So I hope you guys like this video. And once again, as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing an all-time favorites video for my Fab Fit Fun stuff. And I would love to have you come along with me, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you come along with me on BusyBeingJen, so hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like this video. And also, if you want to be notified when I put up new videos, be sure to hit that bell icon. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on BusyBeingJen. Take care, you guys. Bye.